Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites and taking immediate actions. Restart your phone and router, then wait 30 seconds before powering them back on so ARP and DHCP renew. Once done, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to determine whether the problem is your ISP or the phone. Make sure the game is updated and background apps are closed to free bandwidth. Clear the in-app cache if available. These steps quickly eliminate common transient causes and set up for deeper fixes. You'll now perform more detailed network adjustments that fix routing and DNS problems. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in the Wi-Fi settings to bypass slow ISP resolution. This often reduces failed connections. If routes are the issue, enable a reputable VPN and select a nearby, low-latency server to test connectivity. This checks if regional peering is failing. If issues persist, reset network settings on your device. Note that you finish by confirming external factors and taking final corrective steps. Verify Genshin server status and any region maintenance to rule out provider outages. If local fixes failed, reinstall the game, but only after confirming your account sync and saving any local data to avoid loss. If that still fails, collect evidence, connection logs, ping/traceroute results, timestamps, device model and OS, and contact support. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the error while capturing network traces so support can isolate DNS, routing, or authentication failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.